Hello, my name is Fiona, and I am a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the Praxis Elementary Education Curriculum Instruction and Assessment exam? This is Praxis Code 5017. This is a test with several subtopics. This worked solution set covers the subtopic of social studies. Let's review the types of questions you can expect to encounter on the exam. Problem number 1. A teacher has been progressing through a unit on cooking with their students. To assess the students, the teacher decides to have the students demonstrate the various skills they've been learning in class. The teacher will assess each aspect of their knowledge, and based on the outcome of their performance, students will receive a grade. Which type of assessment is this? Standardized tests, performance-based, portfolios, or group work? When considering the type of assessment where a teacher evaluates students based on demonstrated skills, we need to evaluate each option. Standardized tests involve written or multiple choice exams, not practical demonstrations, making them incorrect. Portfolios are collections of student work over time, not real-time demonstrations, so they are not the correct answer either. Group work involves collaborative tasks, not individual skill demonstrations. Performance-based assessments involve students demonstrating specific skills in real time, aligning with the scenario described. Therefore, the assessment type is performance-based. Problem number 2. A student is beginning to learn about a subject in history class and is now able to recite a few key facts about the events being described. They can say when the event happened, who was involved in the historical event, and when it took place. The student is unable to describe the event in further detail besides these facts. Which stage of Bloom's taxonomy has this student reached? Remembering knowledge, application, creating synthesis, or understanding comprehension? When determining the stage of Bloom's taxonomy a student has reached by being able to recite key facts about historical events, we need to evaluate our options. Application involves using information in new situations, which the student is not doing. Creating synthesis involves combining information to form new ideas, which is also beyond the student's current capability. Understanding comprehension involves explaining ideas or concepts in detail, which the student is not able to do. Remembering knowledge involves recalling facts and basic concepts, which matches the student's ability to recite key facts. Therefore, the student has reached the remembering knowledge state. Problem number 3. Which of the following is citizenship education that involves learning about the different types of government and their effect on responsibilities, rights, and life? Democracy and student rights, active learning and citizenship, rights and responsibilities, or single-issue politics? When determining which type of citizenship education involves learning about different types of government and their effects on responsibilities, rights, and life, we need to review the options. Active learning and citizenship involves engaging students in participatory activities, not specifically about government types. Rights and responsibilities focus on understanding specific duties and privileges, not necessarily different government types. Single-issue politics addresses specific political topics rather than broader government education. Democracy and student rights encompass learning about different types of government, democratic principles, and their effects on responsibilities and rights. Therefore, the correct answer is democracy and student rights. Problem number 4. Regions considered to be similar, whether that is the case or not, are called vernacular regions, formal regions, administrative regions, or functional regions. We are identifying regions considered to be similar, whether that is the case or not. Formal regions are defined by official boundaries and uniform characteristics, not by perceived similarity. Administrative regions are established for political or administrative purposes, not based on perceived similarity. Functional regions are defined by a central point and the surrounding areas linked to it, not by perceived similarity. Vernacular regions, also known as perceptual regions, are defined by people's perceptions and beliefs about the similarity of areas. Therefore, the correct answer here is vernacular regions. I trust I was able to clarify the types of questions you will find about the subtopic of social studies for the Praxis 5017 exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel well equipped and well prepared for exam day. Best of luck to you on the exam.